Is there any reason with today's technology that our patients can't have a warning about an impending heart problem? Our cars do it. Why can't we?
Why should we treat patients with a disease all with the same medicine? It's like having the same password for everybody's computer.
If GPS technology can build smart bombs, why can't we create smart gene bullets that will seek and destroy brain cancer cells that spread in the brain after surgery?
Discovery. It happens in a place without barriers, without walls. It breaks through boundaries, opening new horizons.
We have developed tiny implantable sensors that go inside a patient's heart in a minimally invasive procedure. The patient uses these sensors on a daily basis to personally adjust their medications to keep their heart working correctly.
We were working on inflammatory bowel disease, and everyone was working on trying to understand the disease as one single disease. We actually had the insight that this was made up of many different diseases and that we need to be able to diagnose a patient very specifically and to know what treatments will be best for that patient.
The immune system can't attack and destroy a cancer which is growing inside the brain. What we have uncovered is a novel gene that can overcome that barrier and can train the patient's immune system to recognize and kill the cancer which is growing inside the brain.
We have established an international stem cell institute, and we already derived 7 different human embryonic stem cell lines. There are many disorders where you don't need an organ transplantation. You just need cell transplantation. Diabetes, Parkinson, different type of heart disorders. This is a very unique program because it allows investigators to study and then treat those kind of disorders.
We at Cedars-Sinai have developed a new treatment to reverse plaque buildup in the arteries of the heart using a genetically engineered mutant protein which shrinks plaque within 5 weeks of intravenous administration.
Capillaries in the brain form a wall that essentially prevent most drugs and chemotherapy from getting across this barrier into brain tissue. We've developed a technique in our laboratories at Cedars-Sinai to selectively open this blood-brain barrier to increase drug delivery into brain tumors by more than 1,000%, making the treatment of these tumors more effective with chemotherapeutic drugs.
1/3 of patients awaiting a kidney transplant in the United States probably will never be able to get one. Research done at Cedars-Sinai resulted in the development of a novel drug called IVIG, which was able to improve transplant rates dramatically. Because of this work, patients can now receive kidney transplants and have near normal lives without the threat of rejection.
Every once in a while we're lucky and an idea pops into our head that seems too good to be true sometimes. And when you get an idea like that, you're bound to follow it.
We are so fortunate to have the team of people in the environment and the tools available to do the things we do.
Camaraderie is amazing here at Cedars. We've been able to accelerate discovery way beyond what other people have simply by having us in the same environment here at Cedars.
In addition to its faculty and facilities and strong community support, it's just a wonderful environment to develop new technologies.
To me, the value of a single dollar contributed by philanthropy equals $10 or $100 in peer-reviewed funding, simply because it gets us to that critical level we can apply for the larger grants that are available nationally.
So it's a very, very forward-looking way of funding cutting-edge research.
The idea that we can make a discovery and recruit interest among the medical community and go directly to patients is done here more rapidly than anywhere else in the country.
That's why Cedars-Sinai is such an exciting place to develop these novel therapeutics, because all the ingredients are present in one place. And this is a very, very unique and very rare opportunity.
Discovering for Life. The campaign for Cedars-Sinai.